Okay, this is my plan. Okay, you can
Okay.
click on and then show all your plans right here. Then,
Uh,
first of all, select your any plan right here. Suppose your top plan, front plan, whatever it is. Okay, I just select my top plan. First of all, I
okay.
make here as this
Okay.
this polygon, and then here I also inside this I make here as a circle.
Well,
This right here the polygon radius is my suppose here right here the 60. Okay.
this thing.
And this one is right here is 30. Okay. Is half of
Okay.
that. Okay, this is it. I think this is sufficient. You
Okay.
can also take as a 20 also. I
Okay.
just a simple example I do that. Then
Okay.
exit your sketch. I just click and exit my sketch. After that,
Okay.
go to the sketch. Not the sketch. I exit my sketch and go to the feature and then extrude boss base. Right? Extrude boss base. Just click on the extrude boss base and
Yeah.
then click your reference. Uh,
Okay.
One second. I just exit it and click on boss base and then select. Not this. I select this one. Okay, it's not to this. I think something is not working right here. Okay, and then extrude boss base. Okay, that's one good. Just
Yes.
use the mid plane, and right here is distance between them, extrude type, right?
Right.
Okay, this one is created right there. Okay,
Yes.
just second one thing, what you do, just select this piece, and
Okay.
after that, what you do, go to sketch and then click on the sketch module to normal, and then make a circle right there, and then here my tangent points, right?
Okay.
This is a way you can create, and then after that, just exit it.
Okay.
Okay. Then next one, what you do, just select front plane. What you do,
Okay.
just select front
What?
plane and then write the sketch. Okay. And see that's where you want to create. Click on this line and then
Okay.
make your sketch where you want to do. Okay. This is my sketch. I just not align with this and this. Just a second. Okay. And then what you do next one is you make a dimension and between them is angle is 30 degree.
30.
Okay. This is 28.49. So just convert into the 30 degree, right? This profile
Okay.
will be created. Okay.
Yes.
This is your data. One is your structure and this is my path. Okay. Where you want to do as
Okay.
a strip. Exit my sketch. Then come to this portion. Select go to the feature and then select your strip cut. Okay.
Okay.
Strip cut. Click in the strip cut. This is your profile selected. Next one is your path. Select your path. This is your path right here.
Okay.
Okay. This one is marked here. And then once you do,
Okay.
this will be done. And then don't need to do anything right here. And then click on this portion.
Yes. Okay.
After that, this portion will be made. Is clear?
Okay. Yeah. Clear.
Okay. And then I also want to same thing in bottom side also. Then what you do, do as a mirror. Click on the
Yeah.
mirror option, and then mirror plane is your top plane. Okay.
Okay. Right.
Remember, that's why I select as in this midpoint actually.
Okay.
Okay, because I want to mirror it in same way. That's why we selected here is a mirror plane, right?
Right.
Click on OK, and same thing will be done inside this portion, right?
Right.
Okay, and then also I want to fillet this portion. Then select your fillet option right here. And this is my 3D fillet. Click on this portion and then select the fillet dimension is 1 mm because in this case we don't need only 1 mm. And
Okay.
same one is for downside,
Perfect. Right.
right? This
Right.
one will be created. After that, I want to create here inside threading.
Yes.
Okay. How to create the inside threading? For this purpose, we use here the front plane. This is my front plane right here. And go to
Okay.
the sketch module. Click on the sketch. Okay, to normal.
Okay.
And just click on the line here. And then make a one line to this portion to this. Okay.
Okay.
This is your this is your path. And then again you can want to create here is a create here is your profile. Okay. So how can we create the profile? Again, we select here inside the front plane. Again, same plane I selected, and then go to sketch because I want to create new sketch, not same in JS script. Okay. Then I
Okay.
select this new sketch, and then I want to create the sketch on behalf of go to normal. And then what should I do? I make a triangle. This one to this one,
Okay.
and this one to this one. Okay. After that, I just mark as a dimension between them. I just use as a dimension is my 2 mm, 1.9 mm. I just use it. Same one
Okay.
for this. Not to this way. I just click. Then I just select this dimension. I just select this one. Okay. And delete this. 1 second. I just do as a wrong. My selection is not working. 1 second. Pens it's not working like that. 1 second, I just make another one.
Okay.
Okay. Dimension, take its dimension is 1.9. And then this one is also as a line dimension we use here, 1.9. And then next one, what you do? I just mark this angle is your 60 degree. Okay. This one
Okay.
is perfectly created. And then one thing also I do here is my fillet. Fillet which one? This option.
Okay.
If this option will be not done, then you can select 0.1 mm
Okay.
because and this will be flat done, right?
Right.
Because some basic roundness will be here. You do use here, and after that I want to do this is my circle is my 30 mm, right? 30
Right.
diameter. Then I just select this portion to this portion distance is my 15. Okay,
Okay.
click on it and then just check this one thing also because this is solid object, that's why I just change its view in my hidden visible lines and see that here my this profile is aligned with this portion or this is my whole border lines, right?
Okay. Right.
Okay, but because inside this portion we have to show as a threading. Got it? Okay, just click on it and then you can if you need it then you can also convert this part, but if you don't need it just you don't need it. Okay, you do anything, go to the exit your sketch right there and go to the swipe cut. What you do, swipe cut, sketch your selected profile is this line is your profile.
Right.
And then here come to the options and then what you do, select specify twist value. In this case
Okay.
we have also have a twist value and select the revolutions. And how many
Okay.
evolution you do here? I just write here as a 10. Okay, so you see that something will be created right there.
Yes.
Okay, and this is my swipe cut, not a swipe boss. Okay, simple that. And if you click on OK, then what you see here, you can see your trading. I just see change my view. Just what you see here, you see here is a trading
Ready. Yeah.
right there.
Right.
Okay, if you I see here as a section view also. Click on the section view and then okay with that. What you see that your trading will be seen is better way inside trading. That's clear.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. Yes.
You can make this way. I'll make this example right there. Okay,
Okay.
this is simple. Just do as practice when. Alright.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. I just exist my section view and this is my object.
Okay.
Any further doubts from Swift and Swift Boss and Swift Cut?
No. The
Okay,
practice.
Yeah, do as practice well. What I have to make here, you can do as well, and then also for workbook part. Okay, no, don't forget the workbook also.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes. Yes.
okay. Then come to the next part is my Loft Boss. You see that the Loft Boss right there?
Yes.
Okay, here is the loft. I just click on make a new part. Okay, I just select here. Sorry, I just select this all the plane, and
Okay.
then I want to do loft. Loft was the do for the loft section. We need the planes, multiple planes in same sections. So how to do this the planes? For the making the planes, you go to the feature options, and inside the
Okay.
feature planes, this is my reference option, and then inside the reference option, we select as a planes, reference planes. This is called as a reference plane. Just click on reference plane side here. And then which reference planes you want to do here? Suppose I want to do front plane references, top plane references. Then what's there? See here. This is will create a new one plane. Okay.
Okay.
You can mark as the distance between them is 50 mm in above sections. Okay. Two depths. And then also you can want to how many planes are there. You just write here the how many planes, 3 planes, 2 planes, whatever it is. Okay. If you need the 2 planes, just click on the 2 planes. Okay.
Okay.
If you need a 3 planes, you can just click on the 3 planes. If you want to see me in the top second planes right there, then select your second planes and then do as well as like that. Okay, it's better you can show this way because in this case we want to see multiple 2D object in different planes and the same length. After that, I want to after that you can do as a loft. Okay, without this portion, loft will be can't be done here. That's clear.
Yeah. Clear.
Okay. Then come to this portion, I just click on OK because I created his plane. 3 planes I created. The top plane is all there. Plane 1 and plane 2 I created. First of all, I select my top plane and then go to the sketch module and click on sketch. On the top plane, I do as a sketch. I created here. I created center point rectangle. This is my rectangle. What's the sorry. Okay, this is my center point rectangle.
Yes.
And then do as my dimensions right here. You do as a dimensions is suppose is 70, and in this direction I suppose is 100. Okay, click here and exit your sketch. Then this is your next plane. Select your scale plane number 1. This is your plane number 1. You can select here by there is also, and then go to sketch again.
Okay.
Okay, and then go to view, and inside this portion I make a circle. And then right here is a dimension is my 50, I think is sufficient. Okay, it's 50 good.
Okay.
After that, select your plane number 2. Here
Um,
your plane number 2, and then first of all exit this plane. After this, select your plane number 2, and then go to sketch, and then go to
okay.
module, and then inside the plane. Again, I do one thing. I just created a rectangle again. This is my rectangle right here, and then mark as a dimensions is my suppose here I use as a 40 mm,
Okay.
and this one is my okay, no problem. Okay, this one. After that, I access my sketch, and this part will be created right here. Okay, that's clear.
Okay.
First
Yes.
of all, it's start mode. We have to see that here. Your rectangle, then circle, then wave. Both the sketches are made in different places. And this is important because after that you can create a loft. Without this loft is just merging your multiple objects right here. So how can we do that? Just click on loft boss basic. Okay. This is
Okay.
my loft. Sketch is already selected, but I delete it first. First of all, I
Okay.
select this one sketch. Okay.
Okay.
Then third one sketch. What you see that?
It is project
Yeah, this is projected to this.
this.
And then third one I selected. Okay. You see that?
Okay. Yes.
This will be shown here. By this way, you can create this type of thing. And if you see it here, you have this point also, 1, 2, 3 point also. This point is used for the align with the positions, align with the direction. You can also click this. This will be twisted also if you need data twisting.
Okay.
Okay, but I don't need here. But remember that you can create always right between them. If you twist something, you can. If you have to twist different way, but sometimes it's just not working, but sometimes it will work. Okay, you can also
Okay.
adjust and twist somewhere. So this type of thing will be created. Profile will be created right here. Okay, if you need this, but I don't need this. Right?
Okay.
Simple way you can create this type of thing. And if you click on OK, then what you see, this object will be come back. You just
Okay.
created a three simple sketches, and after the simple sketches, you create this type of fit
Okay.
on the 3D model. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Come to the next portion in this case. I just click this loft one. I don't need this. Yes. Okay. Next one again go to the Loft Boss page and then select my sketches. This is my first sketch. Then third one, second one. Just click second one, and this is my third one. Okay.
Okay.
If I create this type of thing, this is created always. Okay. Just come to the next option is your thin feature. If you click on the thin feature right there, then what will we see here? You can show is a hole between them, and then here
Oh,
you thin is 1 mm. One direction thin will be done here. Same as for I saw in your swept cases, okay? The evolve and swept cases I show here. If I write here as a 5 mm, then this will be shown as a thickness is my 5 mm, okay?
okay.
Right. If I write here as a 10 mm, I think this will be not working. Okay, that's what this will be shown up right here. 5 mm. Okay. If you
Mm.
click inside, one direction you can choose here, then this is your inside way and this is your outside way. Okay. If you
Okay.
selected here mid plane, this will be shown here the mid plane and this is your mid plane objects right there.
Yeah.
Okay, and
Okay.
two direction we can if you show here to apply as a two direction format. Inside is 4 mm and then outside is your
5
5,
mm.
right? So by
Right.
this way you can create your objects right here. Okay. And then if you
Okay.
click on the loft, okay, then what you see here, this type of profile will be made here. Okay.
Okay.
And this is also follow as a path. If I don't like to show in the planes, then you can hide the plane too as well. After that, you can see this object is better. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then just again, then come to the next one is here. I just use here. Now, 1 second. Okay. To do this the neck portion, if I delete this one, loft thing, yeah, just click it and delete this one. I just experiment one thing. One thing I do here is to select my loft base. And then what I do, just select this first one. After this one. And if I select third this one, then this will be not make perfectly, right?
Right.
Because this is not follow as a path.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, that's why this will be happen. If you do as well as things, object is any types. Suppose you can create here as any way, like anything, right? But this way you can create this type of thing. Got it?
Got it.
Okay. Come to the next way. I just don't need these this sketches or I just delete this one and delete this one also. And I also don't need these planes.
Plain. Okay.
I just delete because I play also delete this type of planes is directly by way. Okay,
Okay.
right. Okay. Then come to the next one. I just delete it. After that, I create something else. Just see that what I do. Go to do my sketch. This is my sketch model. Here I create some lines of on behalf of this center point,
Okay.
and this one mark as a dimension is my, this one is my 100, and this one is my 150 right here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And then what you do next one? I just do as a fillet, sketch fillet right here.
Okay.
And where you want to do as fillet is this, and then write the fillet distance is 70 mm. Okay. And
Okay.
then click on OK. After that, what I do? I make a plane right here. So how to make a plane? I just click on OK, and this will be shown here. And then exit your sketch.
Okay.
And then what I do here, I want to do as make as a plane in this portion. Then go to the feature option, select your reference plane, and then where you want to create the plane, this one, and where which points I want to make these points here as a plane. Select your length and then select your plane right here. Okay, and same way for second one also. Okay, so same thing I do is for the second one also. This is okay. Then again, select my reference plane and then select this one and then select this point. Okay. This will be what will be happen? I think I do this wrong way. Top plane. This is my reference, and okay, what will be happen? I think uh, plane. Same thing. Okay, हाँ. पता नहीं इससे पहले क्या दिक्कत आ रही थी. Okay. Here we create here the plane number 2. Next plane is here. Okay. This portion
Okay.
will be created right there. Next one, I select my top plane and make something. No, so top plane, I select my plane number 4 and go to sketch module and select it into normal and make here as your rectangle.
Okay.
So just create my rectangle. This is my center rectangle selected, and then the center position I create this type of rectangle. I don't mention the dimension is right there because I just
Okay.
explaining the tools. That's why we don't mention here is a dimensions any of the dimension right there. And then after that, I make other one. This will be created. Exist my sketch,
Okay.
and then inside this plane, plane number 3 I selected and go to the sketch module right here. Then to normal. Okay, and inside this plane I again created the same this type of rectangle. Exist
Okay.
my sketches. Okay, and then see that this two one will be created. Okay, after that what I do? I do one thing to 1 second, to go to the loft and click on the loft.
Okay.
I just delete this. I just delete this one. I click this and delete one. And just what should I do? I select this profile and
Okay.
this one. Then once you see that, this will be shown like this way. But I
Okay.
want to do as this portion, then I want to select the center parameter, right? Then once you see here, when we select the central line parameters, this is showing is like a central line parameters right there.
Okay.
Okay. And this one will be created in this way. Okay. This
Okay.
is your if you design your havoc one, then you can this will be better to do. to design a havoc types things, right?
Right.
And then in this case, we adjust number of sections. Okay, you can bend and then adjust your sections. And once this will be not saying any sections right there, this why will be not needed is here. Okay, this is
Okay.
just a way you can create it, and this loft will be created. In this case, we can also use as a thin feature. Thin feature is working in this like because I want to create as a havoc type things, right? And then
Yeah.
this is shown here. And just inside it, and if you click OK,
Okay.
you just see that this is
Yeah.
havoc type things right there. Okay, I just can't
Okay.
mention in here the dimension, but I make this by this objects also by using your loft command. This is
Okay.
simple.
Yes. Not simple, but I need to practice.
Yeah, you need to be practice this phone also. Oh, I also upload this recording also. Don't worry about it. Okay, if you need
Okay.
this, then you can also practice as by using the recordings.
Okay.
Yep. Then come to the next portion stream. Feeling well. Then come to the next one. I just delete this one because I don't need it. If I do, uh, I just delete this one also, and this plane also, and also this one, and also this plane.
Okay.
I just delete this plane. Right click on it and delete this plane also. Okay, second. Also sketch number 4, I delete here. I don't need this sketch also because I do it as well. And then what I do? If you need here to do as well as you can create new one and then anything you can do. And I think I just create a new one also because I need a center one. Just
Okay.
better to me. Okay, so select my pair display. Now after
Okay.
this, select this top plane and go to the sketch features. And then inside the sketch feature, we do here as well is your I make here do one thing. I just select okay, and then create one I think ellipse. I
Okay.
just created the ellipse right here. This is my ellipse, and then mark as dimensions between them. To this center point to this center point is my 50,
Okay.
and then this point to this point is my I think I just use here to this point is 60. Okay, right here
Okay.
is sufficient. Okay, this one is created right here.
Okay.
Then select my next plane. Is this is my front plane? This is I just access my sketch.
Yes.
Yeah, इसका बहुत ज़्यादा है. So, बाद में देख लेंगे. 1 second. Hello. Okay. Then come to the next portion. I have spent what? Okay. Then select these portions in the front plane and then go
Okay.
to the sketch and make as one line here.
Okay.
to oh, I float to normal. Then I make here as a line to this one, and then mention the dimensions to this to this is your 50.
Okay.
And then next one dimension I'll mark the line dimension is my 200, I think is sufficient.
Okay.
And then this is your plane will be created. Okay. Exit my sketch.
Okay.
And then again I select my front plane.
Okay.
And then again do as a sketch. I make a new sketch right here.
Okay.
And do as a spline. As just create a spline right here.
Okay.
This is my spline.
Okay.
And same way I just do as I just mark it with zigzag formations.
Okay.
Just one will be what? What will happen? Just right click on it and select. And what should I do? Just mark as dimension between them is my this point to this point is again is 50.
Okay.
And also this point to this point is again your 50.
Okay.
Okay, if you want to do one thing also you can is specifies the better way. You can also click on this portion and then adjust if you have the issues right there. Suppose I want it is just click go to dimensions is not showing right here. Then one thing I do here to adjust something, I just click and then I adjust this way. I just click on this handle and then adjusts my points
Okay.
because some points are okay. This one is good because I don't have that much time to adjust these portions. So
Okay.
from this way, just start. Then this one is created right here. Okay, I just exist my sketch.
Okay.
Then what should I do? I do here the making one plane, making a plane right here. To go to the feature, select my plane, and then where you want, create this one, and then for in this point directions right there. Right here, I created a plane and select this plane. Go to the features. I just click on and then select this plane and go to the sketch module. And after that, I created same. I just created right there and then go to normal and then just click on the this portion and then same length of this ellipse and click on OK. If you see
Okay.
that, this type of objects will be shown here. And after that, what I do? I just exit my sketch and then do as loft base
Okay.
and click on loft base right here. And then what should I do? I just delete this first one because this will be last one is selected and then select this profile to this profile. What I share here, this is simple one is created, but I want to also make this type of things right here. Then
Okay.
what I do for this one is for the guided curve I just selected here. Okay.
Okay.
Then here, my guided curve is this,
Yes.
I think. Okay. But
Yes.
one of them, if I selected this guided curve, this one is also will be changed. Then what I do, just you can do here. to select this guided curve also. Then what you see here?
It's like
This is something like that, right? Okay, I
yeah.
just make a random spline between them, and then this type of objects will be created. Okay.
Okay.
This is a way you can create it loft command and make this thing by using this through guided curve also. That's clear?
Okay. Yes, clear.
A simple way you can create it this way. If you want
Yes.
to thin feature also, you can do as a thin feature also and make
Okay.
them as objects straight away. If you click on the thin features, then I just click on the one direction and then change to mm, whatever it is your size will be created. This will be shown
Okay.
here. Okay. You can
Okay.
create any types of things by using this way. This is your loft command, simple loft command you can do here.
Okay.
Okay. That's clear?
Yes, clear.
Then,
We need to make something. We need to give the direction, right?
yeah, because this is important. This is showing as your this curve is showing as like your directions. Okay. In this case,
Okay.
I can't mention here as a dimension because I don't have that much time to mention a dimension. I just randomly make this space. Okay. And then you
Okay.
can creating this type of profiles, this type of object also by using this way. Okay.
Okay.
Then maximum you can see here is all the types of things will be created and shown. Okay.
Okay.
Many of objects are making by using of these examples, loft and then others things. That's clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. I think this is enough for today's because this is so much I think to create it to you for your objects. Right there?
Yes.
Any doubts?
Yeah, I need to make, then only I get more doubts.
Yeah, okay. And then also you can, if you can have any issues right there, you can see these recordings also because I uploaded daily basis. This recording on
Okay.
your balance friend panel. Okay, don't worry.